if you want to update your iPhone to iOS 26.4. This is the complete step-by-step guide. I'll show you exactly what to do, what to check before updating, and how to avoid common problems. So let's start from the beginning. First, check if your iPhone is compatible. Not all devices support the latest iOS versions. To update to iOS 26.4, you generally need an iPhone 11 or newer. If your device is older than that, the update may not appear in your settings, so before doing anything else, make sure your iPhone supports the update next. Back up your data. This is one of the most important steps. Before installing any update, you should always create a backup. You can do this using iCloud. Go to Settings. Tap your name at the top. Then tap iCloud. Then iCloud Backup. And select Backup Now. This protects your photos, apps, and data in case something goes wrong during the update. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you a lot of problems. Now, check your storage. iOS updates require free space. If your storage is almost full, the update might fail or not even download. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Make sure you have at least 5 to 8 gigabytes of free space. If not, delete unused apps, videos, or large files before continuing. Next, connect to Wi-Fi. iOS updates are large files. Downloading them using mobile data can be slow or unreliable, so connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before starting the update. Also, make sure your battery is above 50%, or keep your iPhone plugged in during the process. Now we're ready to update. Go to Settings, then tap General, then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will check for available updates. If iOS 26.4 is available, you'll see it on the screen. Tap Download and install. At this point, you may be asked to enter your passcode. After that, the download will begin. This can take several minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, your iPhone will prepare the update. Now comes the installation. Tap Install Now. Your iPhone will restart, and you'll see the Apple logo with a progress bar. This part usually takes between 10 and 20 minutes. Do not turn off your phone, and do not interrupt the process. Just let it complete. After installation, your iPhone will restart again. You may see a hello screen or a quick setup screen. Follow the instructions. Enter your passcode if needed, and wait for everything to load. Now, a very important final step. After updating, your iPhone may still be optimizing in the background. This can affect battery life temporarily. So if your phone feels a bit warm, or the battery drains faster at first, that's normal. Give it a few hours, or a full day, and it should return to normal. If you don't see the update, there are a few things you can try. Restart your iPhone, check your internet connection, or go back to Software Update and refresh. Sometimes updates roll out gradually, so they may not appear immediately. Final tip: always keep your iPhone updated. Updates like iOS 26.4 include security fixes, performance improvements, and bug corrections that improve your experience, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to update to iOS 26.4 step by step, without making mistakes.